Actually, this YouTube tutorials are really, for me personally, I don't agree with this. After getting trained from an expert, then they can see the reference videos for their daily practice. But I don't advise anyone or suggest anyone to practice from the beginning YouTube, and even the healing practices like cupping and acupuncture, it can even lead to many dangerous situations. I have done my 5.5 year bachelor degree in naturopathy and yogic sciences to practice all these. So we are also learning the MBBS subjects and dissecting the human body, and we learn the muscles and nervous system, everything in detail. If a common man see all these and practice, just imagine the danger in that, the danger hidden in that. Without seeing a human body or dissecting it or understanding it detailedly, how can they treat a person?